How's everybody doing today? Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I'm gonna try my first time smoking some cheese. A nice cold front came through here in Central Florida. The temperature is going to be around 45 to 55 degrees. I'm gonna take advantage of that. This is the best time to smoke cheeses during the winter because it's nice and cold, and you want that nice cold temperature to help with the cheese from not melting. So with that, the cheeses I'm going to do today for the first time are mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Gouda. So I'm going to go out to the smoker. I'm going to get the smoking tube prepped, ready to go, and I'll be right back and show you the next steps. All right, everybody, made out here to the smoker. Got the smoking tube ready to go. I put some competition blend pellets in here, so it's some of every kind of wood, some fruit wood, some hardwood. So I think it's going to be a good blend of wood. Got a torch. Let's get this thing smoking. So you just want to let it go for a couple minutes. You just want to get that nice smoke going. So there you go. It's going a little bit. Just blow on it, just make sure it keeps going. You want to make sure you keep the smoking tube on the far end of the smoker. You don't want it too close to the cheese because it can run a little hot and it could melt the cheese. So you just want to keep it away from the cheese as possible. So here we go. Nice little flame going. Just want to make sure it's nice little good smoke going. All right, we're going to put it in the far end. There we go. All right, now you can see we got the smoking tube going. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cheese in there. I'm gonna keep it away from the smoking tube. So I'm gonna put it on the far end of the smoker. I'm gonna let this go for 4 to 5 hours. Check on it in a couple hours, just make sure the cheese is okay. And that's pretty much it. So see you in a couple hours. All right, everybody, it's been just over an hour on the smoker. Let's open this up and check this out. Let's see how this is coming along. Oh yeah, they're getting plenty of smoke. You can start seeing the nice color getting on that cheese. All right, so far they're doing pretty good. So let's get this closed back up and let it go. All right, folks, it's been about 3 hours of smoking this cheese. So I got it in here. I let it cool down for a half an hour. Let the oil from the cheese reabsorb to keep that flavor in there. So they came out so far looking really good. Just look at that smoke. Man, just the smell of it too is excellent. So now I'm gonna wrap them in plastic wrap, put them in the refrigerator for at least 7 days to absorb all that smoke flavor in there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna snake a little taste. Alright, here we go. Oh man. Oh, this tastes so good. I can imagine what this is going to taste like in 7 days. Oh my God. So we're gonna get this done, get it wrapped, get it in the refrigerator. So what you want to do is recap, keep the temperature below 75 degrees. If you need to, put a bowl with ice in the grill or smoker to help keep the temperature down. Let it smoke for 3, maybe 4 hours. Just check on it, make sure the cheese hasn't melted on you. But that's pretty much it. I think so far so good for my first try. So thanks again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much.